gearheads and SUV enthusiasts. Today we're setting our sights on the legendary Toyota Fortuner, expected to get a refresh for 2025. Will it retain its off-road prowess while adding a touch of modern refinement? Let's find out. The Fortuner has always been known for its capable performance, and the 2025 model is likely to continue that tradition. Rumors suggest a range of engine options, including a powerful 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine. This translates to impressive towing capabilities and enough muscle to tackle any off-road challenge. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency, a hybrid powertrain might also be offered. This could combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering a smooth driving experience with potentially better gas mileage. Both engine options are expected to be paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission for optimal performance on any terrain. The 2025 Fortuner is expected to receive a design update, maintaining its rugged good looks while incorporating a more modern aesthetic. Imagine a bolder front grille with sleek headlights, giving the Fortuner a more aggressive and confident stance. The interior is also likely to see some changes. Think higher quality materials, improved ergonomics, and a focus on comfort for both driver and passengers. Modern technology like a larger touchscreen infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster are also expected, enhancing the driving experience. Toyota is known for its focus on reliability and functionality, and the 2025 Fortuner is expected to follow suit. Expect a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Safety is paramount for any SUV, and the Fortuner will likely boast a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These might include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. Here's what makes the Fortuner a compelling choice in the crowded SUV market. The Fortuner has a proven track record of conquering challenging terrains. With its powerful engine options and advanced features, the 2025 model is likely to maintain its off-road prowess. Potential hybrid option. If a hybrid option becomes available, the Fortuner could offer the best of both worlds: impressive off-road capability with improved fuel efficiency, a win for eco-conscious adventurers. Toyota reliability. Toyota is renowned for its reliable vehicles, and the Fortuner is no exception. You can expect a vehicle built to last, no matter where your adventures take you. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner promises to be a compelling option for those seeking a rugged SUV with a touch of modern refinement. It might offer impressive off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and potentially improved fuel efficiency with a hybrid option. While specifics remain under wraps, the Fortuner is shaping up to be a worthy successor to its legendary legacy. What are your thoughts on the potential redesign of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for SUVs that are built to explore, hit that subscribe button for more exciting car reviews.